Hello traveler! Today I will show you how to easily open the forgotten suitcase combination dial lock without damaging the beautiful travel suitcase. I just checked in this nice hotel room to start enjoying a vacation in the hot Hawaiian Islands accompanied by cold cocktails. But what's this? My code didn't work. Looks like the code has suddenly changed. Maybe at the airport. That's not cool because inside is my swimsuit and I don't want to tear my suitcase. But don't worry. You're on the Text Through Home channel and I'll show you how to find the right password for this dial combination lock. When the suitcase is in the right light, you have to turn the dial until you see gaps or holes. You can use the flashlight on your phone to see better and find the gap faster. As you can see, I have found one gap. That's what you have to look for, because under the other numbers, the dial is smooth. Once you found the gap, you need to do the same with other dials. All the gaps must be in the same position. This step is important for the next step where I'll show you how to easily open the suitcase combination lock. If at this step all the digits you see are the same, it means that correct code will also have 3 digits the same. But as you can see right now, it's not possible to open the suitcase. To do that, the gaps must be in the same line. But right now, these gaps are like this. The last step is to turn all the dials by 1 digit. It doesn't matter which way you do it. What matters is that you turn all 3 dials by 1 digit at the same way. After each turn, check if the suitcase lock opens. If it doesn't, turn all 3 dials 1 digit forward again. Do this until the lock can be opened. Congratulations! We have unlocked the forgotten suitcase dial lock and found the correct suitcase lock code, which in my case was 3 zeros. If even 1 digit is wrong, the lock will not open. So, do the 2 steps I taught you and you will be able to open your suitcase and enjoy your holiday without any problems. If this video also saved your holiday and your suitcase from being cut open, don't forget to hit the super thanks button and tip me some dollars for a cocktail. I'll be very happy about it, and remember that karma is watching you. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video. But for now, have a nice holiday everyone.